Hello friends, welcome to my channel Zoology Club. This is our part 3 number video of this chapter, Poultry. Our fifth question is, describe in details about intensive system of poultry farming. Intensive system. This system is usually adopted where land is limited. Under the intensive system, battery cage system and depleter system methods are most common. At first, battery cage system. This system is useful to those with only a small quantity of floor space at their disposal. In this system, each hen is confined to a cage just large enough to permit very limited movement and allowed her to stand and sit comfortably. This is the picture of poultry battery cage. You can take a screenshot of this picture. Always try to draw proper diagram with your answer, which will help you to carry better marks in your exam. The usual floor space is 14 into 16 inches and the height is 17 inches. The whole structure should be of metal and the floor is of standard strong galvanized wire net with a slope from back to the front, so that the eggs that are laid roll out of the cage. Underneath, a tray is kept for droppings. Both food and water pots are placed outside the cage. Advantages. Very successful in tropical countries. Birds can conserve energy as they spend all the time in shade, and this energy is used in meat formation and egg laying. The performance of each bird can be noted. The eggs are not soiled. Disadvantages of this system: require more initial investment. Due to sedentary life, the birds may become depressive. The eggs may become damaged while rolling out. The cages may become too hot or too cold depending on environmental conditions. Now, deep litter system. The litter is the substrate that is used for farm animals to sleep on. In the deep litter system, the poultry birds are kept in large pens up to 250 birds each, on floor covered with litters like straw, sawdust, dry leaves up to depth of 6 to 8 inches. Depth of 6 to 8 inches. Suitable dry organic materials like straw, sawdust, dry leaves, dry grasses, ground nut shells, barks of trees is sufficient quality to give a depth of about 6 inches in the pen should be used. This is the picture of deep litter farm. You can take a screenshot of this picture. The droppings of the birds gradually combined with the materials used to build up the litter. In about 2 months, it will usually become deep litter, and by 6 months, it will become built up deep litter. At about 12 months of old age, it will fully build up. Extra litter materials can be added to maintain sufficient depth. The deep litter pen should be started with the weather is dry, likely to remain so for about 2 months for the operation of the bacterial action. New litter is to be started with each year's pullets and to be continued with it for their laying period. Advantages of deep litter system: birds and eggs are safely enclosed in deep litter intensive pen. Build up deep litter supplies some of the food requirements of the birds. They obtain animal protein factor from deep litter. With current condition and well management litter, there is no need to clean a pen out for a whole year. The only attention is the regular screening, and adding some materials is needed. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.